Welcome to this session on modifying properties of structural members. In this exercise, the use of the Modify Properties tool is introduced. The concrete beams in the core of the building are changed to different member sizes. Additionally, the concrete columns in the core are lowered to the basement floor level using the Fence Stretch tool. Using the Control key, create a selection set of the 10 beams that frame the core of the building. Select the Modify Properties tool from the ribbon. The Property panel, now the Modify Instance Data dialog, opens, allowing you to modify properties on the selected elements. Change the catalog item to Example Beam Concrete 2. The Change Type dialog box is presented, showing the old values of the element's properties and the new values. For each property, you can select to either keep the old value or replace it with the new value. Select OK. Data point in the view, and the beams are changed to the new properties, including the member size. Next, we will adjust the placement point of the members. With the members still selected, select the Modify Properties tool. In the Modify Instance Data dialog, set the placement point to top right. Data point, left-click in the view to accept the change. Using the same method, modify the placement point of the 2 interior beams on grid lines, D and E, and the 3 interior beams on grid line 2 to the top left. Next, we will adjust the length of the columns in the core. Set the floor selector to basement floor. The column grid moves to the basement level, which is minus 15 feet or minus 4,500 millimeters. With the Element Selection tool, create a selection set of the 8 interior columns. Right-press and select Display Set. The views will isolate the elements in each view. From the Common Tools group, select the Stretch tool. Working in the front view and following the prompts, define a fence block with 2 points encompassing the bottoms of the columns. Following the prompt, snap to the bottom of one of the columns to define the first point of the stretch operation. Move the cursor down and press Enter to lock the AccuDraw axis. Snap to the column grid line. Data point left-click to accept the fence stretch operation. Then reset or right-click to end the fence stretch command. Right-press and select Display Set Clear to clear the isolate operation that we performed earlier. Now the bottom of the columns have been adjusted to be at the basement floor level. In the next video, we will add steel columns and beams for the upper floor framing.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.